Now I'm on my way to a deserted water park in a little bit outside of Hue, just about 10 kilometers southwest. They closed the entrance. According to the map, maybe you can go around, but I think there was a guard here that kicked everybody out, so because there is a way to go from there, but somebody was there inside, maybe a guard that kicked everybody out, so let's try to go from around. Yeah, I guess he doesn't want to speak. Maybe let me turn off the camera. Maybe he's afraid of that. I offered him 100,000 and he's allowed me to enter. Papa. I offered him 100,000 and he doesn't have change. So I'm going to try and find a small change and come back. So I offered him too much. For obvious reasons, the guard here didn't want me to film him getting the money, but I gave him 100,000 and heading into the park. Used to be a water park, now it's a deserted water park. And what do you know, look at this dragon. So this is the water park. Let's see what it's got to offer. It's pretty nice. Good eye? Okay. To the top of the dragon's head. Okay. Okay.
Không sao chứ?
Tôi trả tiền hàng ngày. Không có vấn đề với hàng ngày. Yep, that seems to be the head of the dragon.
Tuy Tien Water Park was opened in 2004 by an official Hue tourism company for about $3 million, despite being incomplete. The area was opened and operating for about 2 years before closing down due to inefficiency and a consistent slump in visitors. Hue tourism company sold the property to a different company that promised publicly in 2012 to put another $1.2 million into the project. Unfortunately, nothing ever came to fruition and the park remained deserted ever since.
Okay, and that's on the other side where the dragon is. It looks like the jungle took over. Deserted for too long. Cum dai atento ce vă ceam dai.
No, no.
Ci vă ceam voi se mai va
Đi bộ.
va cum odibo, va cum cha tien. Dibo tat ka tu dai.
Từ đang vì Thiên An.
Apparently if you walk you don't have to pay. But it's a long walk. That's sad to
Yeah.
Yeah.
Around.
So maybe just because I went with the motorbike I didn't have to pay. I had to pay 100,000. By the way, I had to check what kind of air quality do the Hue people enjoy here. And I gotta say it's very nice. 7.2.5, very, very nice. Yeah, much better quality of life. It's a water park, but where are the slides? We got here a theater. Maybe here they had a dolphin show or something. But I don't see any slides. I'm looking. Got some statues somebody put up there, but no slides. I know there's supposed to be slides, but what kind of a water park is it without any slides? Of course there are slides in the park. I missed them because for some reason it didn't occur to me to look for them using Google Maps or to use the drone to search for them from the air. This is quite unfortunate, but anyway, this is what they look like. Maybe there are some slides, but I don't see them. That's a nice statue, isn't it? Pink Floyd, one of the albums. I left the water park, couldn't find any slides, but it doesn't matter. What's really nice there is the dragon. I paid, but what can I do? That's the price of being a Westerner here. Couldn't fight with him. I'll be heading to Da Nang now, but I'll try and stop on the way.